I only kill baby Jesus.
Let me go first.
I did not only just kill baby.
What does it say?
It's Jack North.
What? Jack North is back?
He came quicker.
Oh my gosh,
Wow,
he's
this is
early.
How did you know it was UPS? Wait, can we touch him?
No.
I don't know.
Wait, I'm gonna get
Wait, there's a note.
I know. I'm gonna get that. Oh my
Okay,
God,
open the note.
Jack North is back.
What?
How did he? It's so early.
Did he come with UPS?
It's the earliest. Oh my God, that's so.
Oh,
All
wow.
right. Hi guys, I'm back. I couldn't wait to get back here and spend another Christmas with you.
Wow.
I heard you have been really good. Ellie behaving so well in kindergarten, and Santa especially likes the way Roman walks Ellie to the class,
Wow.
and even her little friends. Santa knows you've been trying, so he said you could bring you one of your gifts early.
Oh,
Do you know what it is?
now?
I wrote this letter to him and he must have accepted it.
Accepted it.
Accepted it. So what did you ask for?
I asked for Jack North to come back because I really missed him.
Oh.
I had to ask a special friend to help me get it for you.
Not him.
She helped me get the perfect one.
Not him. Must be somebody else.
Yeah.
Do you know yet? Go to your dad's garage and find out. And Merry Christmas.
Let's go to my garage.
This way.
This way,
Don't
this way, the front way,
Oh.
the front way.
Let's
this
go.
way.
Let's
Oh.
go.
Watch out.
No, this way,
This way,
Ellie.
This way now.
What is it?
What is that? Is that a dog?
Oh my God.
Is that a dog from Jack North?
Go see it. Oh, he's afraid. Oh, look. Oh, he likes you.